What's up, guys? Today's minute study tip is all about best practices for memorization, and in particular the use of flashcards. So why are flashcards such an effective tool for memorization? Well, there are three really important reasons. So let's start. The first reason is that flashcards engage active recall. So active recall is where you actively have to think about the information and process what you're learning. Active recall has been proven to create stronger neuron connections, which enhance memory and recall on tests. Reason number two, flashcards utilize metacognition. What is metacognition? Metacognition is literally the process of thinking about your own thinking process. Studies have shown that applying metacognition to the learning process allows memories to be more deeply ingrained. Last but not least, flashcards enable students to study via confidence-based repetition, where they can choose which particular topics and concepts need the most attention and repetition. That's it for today's minute study tip. If you like this video, please click that like button. And if you want to see more from the Scalar Learning channel, click that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I'll see you all next time. Take it easy.